aseigo imamanyete
kwa kwa basomia ba form 4 form 3 and form 4 wala baso form 4 barakode 423 ili
bali ekarwa iweta kwa kongonde watu kusama kendro hunaya ikendo bune kitawa district rate abantu bate bana akawa batoko baba tokoja tuanjene ndio hivyo. Nataka sasa kuongea na Gen Z, si ndio? Tuakona na wadau Gen Z wale wote tuko hapa tumesema the only key to success ni education. Tunakubaliana? The only key to education to success ni education. Mimi nataka kuwaomba, nataka kuwasihi. Tukitoka hapa tunapoenda kusoma, tutie bidii. Na nataka niombe serikali zetu, national government na county government. Hawa vijana wanataka kusaidiwa, wanataka usaidizi kutoka kwa national ama county government. Hatufai kuwa at the 21st century kuna mtoto na drop out of school sababu ya wazazi kukosa school fees. Ama si ndio hivyo? So nataka kuomba viongozi wetu, serikali yetu ya county tukuwe na program. Hata kama mtakuja mweke fadi mahali, sisi tuchange pesa ndio ikue wale watoto wote wanaweza drop out of school waweze kupata hizo pesa, waweze kwenda kusoma, sababu bila masomo tutapiga story hapa, tutaongea na hakuna mahali tutasonga. Ama ni mbaya tukiongea hivyo. So nimesema asante abantu baito bano tumugirango unanato mkono tumugirango bolo ndio kwa na siasa ya ito ekeruge kyobo gabana because no gabana taibo ekene keruge kanene abantu baito twisaranse twese bano tumugirango mweba ange jetini ko batebi ngo mogotora ingumotari gotora ni numomanyete ko sebano mweba ange tekera mogoso ko gujisiko gali mwebereri ngaki ntuntu abatire tamubere na intutu anjere to kolerenga mwanjere to kolerenga morae ko bugabana kitamubere bowe moraigwe imbowe moraigwe lakini rende ngote mumate ndo kwana mo basa ko turasimisero mondo me bitoroje ngona togenda style dogochi isara z'abantu n'abange mu bwate no tumugirango choro mondo ekerari county gali areta magendo no tumugirango areta magendo west mugirango areta magendo bogetutu so that twenzi abantu banyamira tunyare ko ba toko genderera naenderede kuri to advice ekero mo kuri ebiro takuri ebiro ga musini tabadera jigabana 50 chiseneta 50 baka ne wetega mwarosiri deputy senator tama itie nga yego toka kuru diye kero ya kemo motoke isko gali mote banganya lebe na kingwa tebana egendo mote de ningi ne kerugo mote moisaranse mote bena ekero ige twara ne geito gusire ge community omuntu muya oranyara gotokorera gasi inyarebe aiwe kerugo iti tunyara gokorera gasi na itu tunyara ko batoko gendera tinde do kwara mangana mange asenge ndio chiza jaete na yule mwagosire tuje tumerana naende tunyara ko na siasa mono tukua na siasa mono tiganya saba siseni
in order to provide us education and also to increase the government funding for public universities to improve the infrastructure. They also to increase the scholarships and grants for students in need. They also to create a government backed mentorship and internship program for us to get the money in order to add to our education. The last thing, we are going to ask the government to include student representatives in the education policy discussion and decision making. That's what I have. Thank you.
The president and those people who are involved, or those people who are about our colleagues and help and those funding models, what I want to be done is for the students is that let the government go and recheck the information for all the students. If possible, what will be, we reapply so that we give the correct information, they place us in the correct banks, and we receive the correct scholarships and the help loans so that we can be able to succeed in our education.